Imagine sitting in a cafe, overhearing talks of soaring investments while your wallet feels more like a maze. That's a sentiment shared by many. But guess what? Today, we're changing that narrative. By the end of this video, you'll have the strategies to rewrite your financial story and level the playing field. Welcome to the Finance Virtuoso Channel, where we talk about all things finance. If you're seeking a daily dose of valuable information on money, business, investments, and savings, be sure to click the notification bell and hit the subscribe button now. In this video, we'll talk about 10 wealth building strategies so you could level up your wealth game. Let's start. Starting with number 1, learn for earnings. Dive into the finance basic. It's mind-boggling that some folks have jobs but are in the dark about stuff like tax filing. Get clued up on those essential terms: income, expenses, net worth, return on investment. You know the drill. Plus, don't let learning stop. Devour finance books, or if you're more of a listener, tune into Money Savvy podcasts. Just remember, tread cautiously on the internet, because while it's a goldmine of info, there's also some fool's gold out there. For top-notch insights, give successful investors a follow on social media and blogs. They're a goldmine of wisdom. Number 2, secure your income source. So are you dreaming big about wealth, but don't come from a silver spoon background? It's time to craft a winning strategy. Before you dive into the richest pool, you need a solid game plan. Think about your income source, whether it's a classic 9-to-5 or a side hustle. Once you've stacked up some savings, the next chapter begins. How can you multiply those dollars? Stock market, business venture, mastering a high income skill? Just remember, setbacks might swing by, but your resilience is key. Embrace the journey and be ready to dust off and start anew if needed. Number 3, budget like a boss. Think about it. With a budget, you become the master of your financial ship. No more overspending on stuff that doesn't truly matter. Your priorities get clear. Your discipline skyrockets. And guess what? That's the ticket to nurturing your savings and eventually your wealth. You can follow the 50-30-20 rule like I do. 50% of my earnings goes to the must-haves like rent and groceries. 30% fuels my wants like shopping and entertainment. And the golden 20%? That's locked away in my savings vault. Trust me, when you structure your income like this, watch your wealth sprout effortlessly month by month. Number 4, prepare for emergencies. Life is one wild roller coaster, and unpredictable twists are par for the course. Imagine your car breaking down in the middle of nowhere with no insurance to fall back on. Talk about stress central. That's where your emergency fund rides in like a hero, providing the urgent backup that you need. It's your shield against life's unexpected curveballs. Now, let's dive into a crucial tip. For ultimate peace of mind, your emergency fund should cushion you for 6 to 12 months of living expenses. Remember, the pandemic taught us that the unexpected can hit hard. So, while you're building your emergency fund, keep it snug in a savings account for easy access. Number 5, grow your money. Start off with the stock market. It's like owning a piece of the companies you believe in. Stocks not only ride the waves of price increases, but also serve up dividends. Yes, you're getting paid for owning a slice of the action. While stocks might come with risks, they vary depending on the company. Not a stock fan? No worries. Bonds are like financial IOUs from corporations or governments. You lend them money, and they promise to pay back with interest. Just remember to understand the types of bonds and their ratings to avoid surprises. Another option is mutual funds. They're like a financial mixtape, combining stocks, bonds, or both. Although they carry risks, they pack a punch in rewards. The bottom line is, all 3 options can be your wealth allies. Timing is the key. Number 6, automate your finances. Financial wizards recommend a simple trick. Set up an automatic deduction from your salary to cover debts, savings, and investments. With this spell activated, your payday becomes a well-choreographed dance of distributing funds seamlessly. The more you embrace this trick, the more it becomes second nature. Before you know it, your savings stash will have grown without you even noticing. It's a masterclass in working smarter and not harder. Number 7. Boost retirement funds. Slow and steady wins the race, and that can be truer when it comes to amassing wealth for retirement. As you save, you're laying the foundation for a financial empire that will serve you in your golden years. Retirement might seem like a distant dream, but trust me, it's closer than you think. Now, you've got some mighty tools at your disposal. Ever heard of the 401k plan or the Roth IRA? The 401k is like a gift from your employer, channeling a portion of your salary into investments like bonds, mutual funds, and stocks. You get to choose when you'll be taxed, whether upfront or upon withdrawal during your retirement. The Roth IRA, on the other hand, is a retirement account that lets you contribute money while enjoying reduced taxes. When you retire, the money you withdraw isn't taxed, so aim for the Roth IRA. But remember, you need to be at least 59 years old to tap into this financial well. Just keep in mind, tapping into your retirement funds before the official retirement age often comes with penalties. Number 8. Mix it up with diversification. We've all heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Turns out, this old adage holds incredible wisdom for your finances too. From a business standpoint, it simply means spreading your investments across different areas. Now, some folks might argue that going all in on one investment could yield big gains. But consider your financial security. Markets can be unpredictable, and businesses can hit rough patches. It's part of the game. Distributing your funds across various investment sectors acts like a financial safety net. So even if one area takes a hit, you've got other avenues keeping your financial ship afloat. Number 9. Unleash passive income. Picture this: money flowing in even as you catch some Z's. That's the magic of passive income. Imagine ventures like blogging, digital product sales, dropshipping, and marketing, all cooking up cash on the side while you focus on living your life. But the crown jewel of passive income? Real estate investment. Though it sounds like a breeze, let's be real. It demands attention and some initial capital. But once the gears are in motion, your wealth journey hits the fast track. Number 10. Ride the Robo-Advisor wave. Imagine a financial consultant who's available 24/7, collecting insights from your online surveys and making investment decisions tailored just for you. Yep, that's the Robo-Advisor. Despite the skepticism, these digital wizards are like modern-day financial wizards, crunching numbers and making spot-on investment calls. So, if managing your investment portfolio sounds daunting, let these tech-savvy experts take the reign. And there you have it, Money Maestros, the steps that'll light up your wealth journey. Before you go, hit that like button, drop a comment, and share the video if you found the strategies helpful. Until next time, stay financially virtuous.